How do I activate a new SIM card in my iPhone?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your new SIM card in an iPhone. This is often a critical step when you switch phone providers or get a new phone. Don't worry, it's a simple process and we'll take you through it step by step.
What do you need to begin?
Before we start, you're going to need a few things. Firstly, make sure you have your new SIM card at hand. You should have received this from your mobile service provider. Secondly, you'll need a SIM card ejector tool. If you don't have one, a small paper clip will do just fine. And finally, make sure your iPhone is turned off before beginning the process.
How to insert the new SIM card?
Now let's move on to inserting the new SIM card. 1. Look for the SIM card tray on the side of your iPhone. It's a small hole. 2. Insert the ejector tool or paperclip into the hole, then push gently but firmly until the tray pops out. 3. Remove the old SIM card from the tray, then place your new SIM card into the tray. Make sure it fits properly and the golden chip on the SIM card is facing downwards. 4. Slide the tray back into the phone.
How to activate the SIM card?
With your new SIM card inserted, it's time to turn on your iPhone. Activation processes can vary based on the service provider. For many providers, your SIM card will be activated automatically when you first turn on your phone. If you're asked to set up your iPhone, follow the on-screen instructions. For some carriers, you may need to contact them directly to activate your SIM, or you may need to visit their website and follow the activation process there. And that's it. That's how you activate a new SIM card in your iPhone. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.